Hey guys, me Dutch lockpicker. Today we got a Paclock I got from Lady Locks. But not a terrible biting. I'm interesting to use it with my jugular keys. For now we're going to do the single pick. This is my first try. And I'm going to use my gem from Peterson, just because I never used them. And let's see, I can pick this on the first try. Got some clicks. Click on 4 and 5. And the last one. I'll go back to the front. One is set. 2 is set, I think. 3. That's the last one. No, I got a full set. Got it open. Okay, cool. Awesome. I picked the Paclock 90A Pro. Cool. I will do another one just for the 200k. So it will be with a cut. This was just my first try. And I say I did it okay. Cool. Again, thank you Lady Locks for the padlock. And thank you, my good friend, for your donation. And for now I want to say thank you for watching, everybody. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.